All right, back at it again with another video as promised, like I said. And today we're going to be talking about how to online date. Now, what is online dating, you ask? Let me see. Okay, online dating is dating in the virtual society. Look at that. You like that. Anyways, so let's just get right into it. So I know everybody dabbled on the OkCupids, the Tinders, the Plenty of Fish, the Match.com, and we even got DM'd on our social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. So we all dabbled. Don't be lying, because we all dabbled. Anyways, with that being said, it's so sad I have to sit here and talk about how to online date. It's so sad, but it's needed. It's just needed. Oh gosh. Now, the reason why it's needed is because people are doing it wrong. They are doing it so fucking wrong. I mean, they fucking up the game for everybody. I mean, you got people out here catfishing. You got people out here lying. And then you got people out here who just shouldn't be on online dating. They just shouldn't even touch them dating sites. Like, they should just leave that alone. They need to leave that shit alone. They need to sit home and watch the TV like they be doing, because that online shit ain't for them. You know what I'm saying? Because, not everybody can online date. No. And it's so sad because everybody think that they can. No, it's for a selected few. You know what I'm saying? Because I have stories for days on what type of people are on online dates. I mean, on these sites. And it's just crazy. You know, it's just so crazy. You know, online dating gives me a headache. It really does. And with that being said, with all of that being said, you know, had to just throw all of that out there, because online dating is not easy. It is not easy, and everybody makes it seem like it's just so easy. You're going to make a profile, and then you're going to find your match, and everything is just going to be roses and kisses from there. And that's not true. They got the game fucked up, and they're lying to you. They are lying to you. And the reason why I say they are lying to you, because the shit just don't add up. Shit is just out of control. I mean, some people need their ass beat. You know what I'm saying? Some people need their ass beat for being on these sites, not knowing what the fuck they doing. Okay, I'm just saying that. I'm putting that out there because it's just not fair to us. It's just not fair to the normal people who just want to online date. It's just not fair. Oh my gosh. So, with that being said, I'm going to get right into it. I got 5 little do's for the online dating crew, the online dating community, because you know, there's 5 essentials to this online dating thing that we just need to throw in the air. Everybody should grasp it, hold on to it, put it in their pocket, and keep, because, you know, we need to follow these rules. This is how it works, you know. This is how it works. I'm just telling you. I know. I'm like a fucking pro now. I should be a pro, because this is how it works. All right, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna jump right into it. And the first do for online dating is be yourself. You know, be yourself. And the reason why I say be yourself is because everyone's on these sites looking for something different. And if you're being yourself, you're bringing your uniqueness to the table, and it will bring all the boys to the yard, or it'll bring all the girls to your doorstep. And I'm saying that because don't nobody want an imitation of, you know, somebody else. Like, that's like boring and cliche, and that's not going to get you far. It's really not, you know. No. So just be yourself. You have to be yourself, you know. Talk about yourself. Like, in your profile, Be you, the you that's at home, the you with your friends, the you with your family. Be yourself. Now that we got that situated, can I go on? Or should we take a pause and, recollect ourselves with how we're going to conduct this now? Or should I go on? Like, shouldn't that just be like the thing that just like, oh, okay, now we get it. We're going to all do the right thing now, But no, I feel like I have to go on. It pains me to go on. But I'm going to go on. And with that being said, bringing it to number 2. And that's be confident. Be confident in who you are, how you are, and what you bring to the table. Be confident in your looks. Be confident in what you like to do. Be confident in what you're bringing to the table. Just be confident. Because we don't need no inconfident people on these sites. Like, why? Why are you on the site then? Obviously, you're pushing yourself out there. It's like we're branding ourselves and we're putting ourselves on these sites saying, hey, you want to date me because I am such and such and such, So just be confident in who you are and what you bring to the table. Because nobody likes a person who's just not confident about themselves and what they like. We all like confidence. Confidence attracts so many people to other people because confidence is sexy. Yes, I said it. Confidence is sexy. So be confident, please. Like, just be confident. Like, it's not that hard. Okay? So if you're like not confident and then you shouldn't be on these sites because that's fucking it up for everybody. Like, don't nobody want to like talk to you or like message you and you're talking about, I wish I can go on a date with a girl like you, or I wish a guy like you would talk to me. Oh, you're so beautiful and you're so handsome and I don't think that we would work because I'm this and this and that. That's like, ugh. That's like so ill. Like, no, don't do that. Please don't do that. You should not do that because that sucks. Just don't do that. Be confident. If you're going to be on these online dating sites, be fucking confident. You better bring the best you to the fucking table on these online dating sites. Don't be a blah, okay? Just don't be a blah. Anyways. Now, I shouldn't have to speak about this one. I shouldn't even have to say it, I shouldn't have to fucking say it. I shouldn't have to say it, but here we are with the bullshit. Because, a lot of people like to play games and they be on that bullshit. Tell the fucking truth. That's number 3. Tell the fucking truth. Now, this is the biggest component of online dating. And I say this because truth fucking matters. And all smiles away. Like, wait. Truth fucking matters. And I say that because don't be over here lying. Like, what you lying for? If you got 4 kids, you need to let people know that shit. If you're 350 pounds, you need to let people know that shit. Don't be talking about athletic build and you're not. Like, let's not even go there. You need to be fucking truthful. Don't be sitting over there lying. Like, why are you lying? Why are you catfishing people? That is not cool, my friend. That is not cool. So you put pictures that was like 5 years ago on your profile. That's fucked up. That is so fucked up. Don't do that shit. Be truthful. Don't say, oh, I like hiking and never hiked a fucking day. Don't say, I like scary movies but be a little bitch in the movie theaters. Just don't do that shit. Don't say, I like trying different foods but only had hamburger and fries all your life. Just please don't lie. Like, be truthful. Someone's gonna like you, Someone is out there for you. So don't be telling lies. Be very truthful, please. Like, just do it. That's just common sense. Be truthful. Like, eventually we're gonna catch you in your lies. So be truthful. Now, that was number 3. we're about to hit up number 4, and that's be conversational. Like, please just be conversational. Like, we want to talk about more than how attracted you are to us. We want to talk about more than that. Like, let's talk about science or history, or let's just talk about a show or something like that. Like, don't sit there and be boring, because then you're not even getting a date. I'm sorry. No, we're not giving out our number, and we're not going on a date with you, because no. You need to be more conversational. We need to know that we won't be sitting there staring at each other like goldfish at the fucking restaurant. So be conversational. Be upbeat and conversational, man. Like, we know when you're with your friends, or when you're at home with your family, or just when you're out and about with people, you talk. So just talk, please. Like, don't be fucking non-conversational. We need to have conversation, get the conversation popping, like, don't be having no dry ass shit to talk about, like, oh, you're so pretty. Nobody wants to hear that all night. Like, yeah, obviously we know, okay, obviously, like, come on, do better, please. Do better for America, for the world, for online dating, because it's going downhill so fast, it's not even funny. And there's number 5. And I've only got 5, these are the 5 essentials, And that's say what you mean and mean what you say. Again, I'll repeat that. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Because you shouldn't be over here saying shit that you don't mean. And then people are going to think, oh, no, say what you mean and mean what you say, because that's just it. So, do we need a recap? I think we need a recap for everyone. I think we need a recap because some people just don't know how to fucking online date. They don't know how to date in general, and it's just, it blows my mind. It really does. So, I'm going to give everybody a little recap of the essentials, like what you should do. It should be common sense. Like, it's not that hard, people. So here we go again. Be yourself. Just be yourself, because people are going to like you because you are different, because you are being yourself. Please don't be an imitation, because you're not going to be the Chris Brown on OkCupid or Plenty of Fish. You're not going to be the Drake. No, they're already themselves. So there's no imitating that shit. Just be yourself. That's all I'm going to say. Like, please, just be yourself. Number 2. Be confident. Confident is key. Nobody wants to go out with a person who's just not confident in anything they do. Nobody wants to go out with someone who's not confident in what they're talking about, and how they look, and how the date may be going. Confident within themselves. People can read that shit, and that's a turnoff. So you need to be confident. Like, be fucking confident. You better, in your head, you're the fucking Beyonce or fucking Kanye of the world. Be confident. That's all I'm going to say. And then number 3 is tell the truth. Don't be over here lying. We will know. We will find out. Don't be over here lying. Like, you should not be lying. Like, why are you lying? That does not make sense to me. Don't be sitting over there talking about athletic build when you're not. Don't be talking about tall when you short. Like, just don't do that shit. That's fucked up. That is so fucked up. You're catfishing now. You done crossed the line, and we need to take you on to the catfish show, because you're fucking catfishing. And then we said we got number 4, and that's be more conversational. Nobody just want to talk here or have a conversation about how attracted they are to another person. They want to talk about more. They want to see where your mind is at. They want to see how open-minded you are, or like, what are some of your beliefs. Like, have conversation, please. I mean, like, I shouldn't have to beg. Like, that's just so sad that I have to say please. Like, you need to be fucking conversational. That's just... So what are we going to do? Be looking at each other like goldfishes at the restaurant? That's so fun. Yay. I left the house for this. I could have did that at home. Could have looked in the mirror at home. Just be conversational. And number 5 is say what you mean and mean what you say. Don't be saying one thing and meaning something totally different. Be clear on what you're saying and how you're saying it. Be clear and be open. Just be clear, be open, be confident, And then you're going to kill these dates. That's all I'm going to say. Because, that'll make the world go around a little bit easier and better if everyone was truthful and everyone was clear on the rules to dating in general. That's if we're outside and you meet me at a coffee shop, or that's if you're meeting me on Plenty of Fish, OkCupid, Tinder, any of those. Just be real. Just be real. Because that's just going to save you. And that's just going to save somebody else's time. Like, don't nobody want no imitated fake-ass person. Or don't nobody want no imitated fake-ass liar. Because that's not what we're doing out here. So you need to stop that. Whoever you are, because I know I'm talking to one of y'all, stop that shit. Just stop it. Cut it. Kill it. The end. All right? Just no. Don't do it. Because that's fucked up. That's fucked up for everybody. That's fucked up for the girls who are getting all dolled up and dressed up for you guys, and y'all over here lying. Like, that's fucked up. Wasting our time. Anyways, but also for the guys, like, girls, don't be over there lying, saying that you're slim when you're not, saying that you're tall when you're not, saying that you're short when you're like an Amazon. Like, keep it real. Don't be sitting over here saying you're a model material when you're not. Like, just don't be lying. Just be real. Someone's going to like you. There's somebody for everybody. That's all I'm going to say. And with that, I am going to end this video. But I will be back with more. So, like and subscribe if you like this video. And just like and subscribe if you like seeing my face and you like hearing me talk. Or just like and subscribe. I don't know. Do what you please.